Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's free video, I wanted to start off by looking at this is the continuous S&P futures with the overnight session removed. So we're just looking at what a cash session might look like. I think this has some important levels that I wanted to show you, but I'm also working with the idea that bulls are still in control, right? Essentially from this move where we had the gap from around 4,100 up into 4,200 and then just traded sideways and then gapped higher again. Now this instance did come down and filled this gap, but then just kept moving higher. So if we continue this kind of one time framing action and each day respecting the range of the day that came prior to it, I actually think that there's a chance that we're going to be moving up into this 43.71. If you look back at this on a 1-year daily chart, we'll show you the level. You want to look at the lifetime high from 48.08 and that swing low in comparison to the 36.39, the low that was made down here in June. Do you see the relationship in that retracement and that snow line? Essentially 43.61 to 43.71. And I think that will be an important area of resistance. There's probably a few more spots we could add into it. Comparing that swing high to swing low, you can see that you'll have extensions. That comes in a little bit prior too. But essentially, it's to say that I'm looking for 43.71, provided that we can get up through 4,300, right? I don't have it marked off on the chart, but this large psychological value will be the most important resistance that has to be cleared tomorrow. So if you get into Tuesday's session and the S&P is struggling and cannot clear 4,300, it may not be the most opportune spot to buy, but if you can reliably and with acceptance get above 4,300, well, I think you have another 70 points to the upside. And then from there, I want to take it over to Tesla, because this is another spot that really could go. I can't tell you I have a ton of conviction in this, but I'm absolutely watching it because I believe the potential into the stock split is there. Now, with this month or this week being monthly expiration, you could also see something that just chops up all of the premium, and it trades sideways or messy into Friday. You do have instances of symmetry, that relationship could see price staying below it. But what I want to look for is that if Tesla can get above this previous swing high that was made on August 4th, above 940, I believe the path to 1,000 begins to accelerate pretty quickly. So it's the S&Ps against 4,300, it's Tesla against that high, and I believe movement against either above or below them will help set the tone for the rest of the week, and I hope that gives you some trading opportunities as you get into your monthly expiration. Y'all have a great night, and we'll see you at the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.